I have a 2006, hold on, bro. Trailblazer 4.2 vortec. Some knocking going on. Not quite sure. We're trying to diagnose it. So here it is. What it sounds like at start. Well, yesterday it was knocking pretty fucking bad. That's the thing that we are confused at right now. Running rough on idle. Oh, wants to shut off. It was knocking really fucking loud yesterday. For some reason, every time you go to try and accelerate out of like quickly, it starts knocking and losing oil pressure, as you can see right now. It was knocking yesterday. Hear that squeaking? Thinking my water pump is out. Not sure if that will cause any knocking. This is the first ever 4.2 vortec I ever work on and ever owned. I'm beginning to think maybe it might be that solenoid right here. I'm not recording good, pardon me. I'm doing it on my cell phone. I mean, it doesn't seem to be knocking. Got this truck very dirt cheap. I mean, if I need to replace the engine, it is totally worth it. But as of right now, I mean, I've put in about $250, and that's not even engine-wise. I replaced the brakes and rotors and all that. But engine-wise, all I've done is put some double platinum AC duffels in it, and fresh oil change. Put a new serpentine belt on because it was squealing really fucking loud the other day. Right now it's still starting to do it, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be my water pump. Not sure if the knocking sound it was doing. I thought I spun a bearing yesterday according to what was going on. I haven't really tore it apart yet. So, I mean, it's not knocking anymore. I hear a little... I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. And I hear a little slight knock toward the back of the engine. Maybe one of my cylinders is out, 5 or 6 maybe, I'm not sure. I mean, for the price you can't beat it. Sounds alright, it's sounding okay, way better than it was the other days. Little dog right there, bro. Neighbor's dog snuck over here. Yeah, I mean, she sounds good. Way better than she did. I mean, maybe the alternator, maybe the water pump, maybe the power steering. Startup grinding sound, maybe the starter. I mean, I just bought this truck, so I mean, keep you guys informed.